This is how we will design a sleeve using the StyleCAD 13.5 software. To begin, we will first enter the command, and then select the entire armhole curve on the bodice. We will left-click on the screen, and at this point you will see a sleeve head appear here. And in this specific panel, we can precisely adjust the height of the sleeve head. We can raise it up or lower it down. You can see that when I adjust this specific slider, the sleeve head changes accordingly in real time. You can raise it even higher, or lower it down to match your desired form. This applies to both the front and back sleeve heads. And you can even adjust the difference between the sleeve and the body. If you want the sleeve and the body to differ by a certain amount, you can adjust the value here. You can also adjust the width of the sleeve cap here. Whatever width you want for the sleeve cap, you can set it here. After you've finished making adjustments, you click OK. So now we have created a sleeve head here.